Hello everyone, I'm Thomas, and today we're diving into Sintra AI, a revolutionary platform that harnesses the power of AI to transform business operations by automating routine tasks and enhancing productivity. This video is split into timestamps, so if you want to skip to a specific part, feel free. What is Sintra AI? Sintra AI is an innovative platform designed to simplify business operations by leveraging AI-powered digital assistant. It offers a suite of specialized bots that automate tasks such as customer support, SEO, optimization, email marketing, and data analysis, allowing businesses to focus on strategic initiatives rather than mundane tasks. What is Sintra AI doing? Sintra AI is primarily focused on enhancing business efficiency through automation. It provides features like AI-driven insights for data analysis, social media management for consistent content, and content creation tools for generating compelling blog posts. Additionally, Sintra AI offers over 100 power-ups to customize workflows and integrate with various business tools, making it a versatile solution for businesses of all sizes. Price: Sintra AI offers a cost-effective pricing model tailored for small to medium-sized businesses. While specific pricing details are not widely available, it is noted for providing a lifetime subscription option and being more budget-friendly compared to hiring human employees. The platform is designed to offer a high return on investment by automating tasks and saving time. How to use Sintra AI: 1. Sign up. Visit the Sintra AI website and create an account. 2. Explore assistants. Familiarize yourself with the 12 specialized AI assistants, each designed for specific tasks like customer support or SEO optimization. 3. Configure bots. Set up bots to automate tasks such as data analysis or email marketing. 4. Integrate tools. Connect Sintra AI with existing business tools like Google Drive or LinkedIn, streamline workflows. 5th, monitor performance. Use the platform's analytics to track efficiency gains and adjust strategies accordingly. That wraps up our review of Sintra AI. If you're curious about anything I didn't cover, drop your question in the comments. I'll make a video just for that. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more AI insight. Thanks for watching.